How to remove your profile picture on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove your profile picture on X application or Twitter. So to begin with, first of all, update your application. In order to update, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in X, or you can just type in Twitter. So once you type in Twitter, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, once done updating your application, click the open button and log in into your Twitter account. Once you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, tap the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. This is going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile here, you'll be able to see your profile information and all that. Now to edit your profile, click the edit profile button. As you can see, you can either edit your profile picture or your cover photo, whatever. So in order to do that, you need to tap the plus icon or the camera icon. And there is no such way as removing your profile picture completely, but there is an alternative, as you can either take a photo currently, or you can choose it from the existing photo, that is from your gallery or any of these, or you can choose NFTs. So if you want to go through any of these, just tap the following option and select the particular photo that you wish to add it as your profile picture. Now I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see that. So click the use button if you're sure about it, and click the save button from the top right, and as you can see that the profile picture has been removed and it has been completely changed. So that's basically how you can remove your profile picture on Twitter. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.